So, if you know me, kick plates is definitely not one of my favorite things. And here, I've got no exception, mate. We can't move the cupboards, so I had to do some minor trim work to get some of the things in nicely. But what I'm dealing with is a huge taper. I've got a nice big ass taper over here, about 14 and a half centimeters at this point. And at that point over there, it's about 7.5 centimeters. Not just that, the feet on the cupboards are so far forward, and that foot is further than the rest, which throws everything off. And on top of the wood, I'm going to do aluminium cladding. And the reason I'm going to put in wood is to make sure the cladding can't move, because here we have a drop. So I actually had to router out this wood and fit it and back and forth. And let's see, this one you can see the taper quite well. Fits nice and tight. That's the extent of effort. That, when it's done, it's going to get this over the top of it, and that's going to look quite nice. Here you can see the vast difference between the two sides. And oh yeah, to top that off, the tiler over here tiled these tiles a little bit lower by 4 millimeters. So over here also had a belly that I had to create and make to fill in there properly. So yeah, stay tuned and I will upload a short little video when it's in and done. The reason I'm gouging the wood out like this is because I need to get this thing as far back as possible, because I actually had to trim out some of the aluminium on places. And the further back you put it, the less chance there is of seeing any visual defects, and all of the visual defects you hide on the upper side. So yeah, I also don't want it level here, because should anybody mess fluids or liquids or things like that, it will, if you have a sealing issue where that thing lies level here, those liquids could go inside, where if it's deep enough, you've still got a bit of a drip edge here, and that drip edge will allow it to drip off on the front side. So yeah, let's get this done, man.